Every now and then, we get something truly special. And today, we have not one, but two heavy hitters here at Rennen Autoteile. First up, the 2025 BMW M4 Competition XDrive, G82 to be specific, a twin-turbo straight-six beast. And right next to it, the 2017 Mercedes-Benz S500 Coupe W217 chassis, packing a 4.7-liter V8 bi-turbo, the definition of German luxury and muscle. Two legends under one roof, and both about to be completely stripped down component by component. Good. In today's video, we'll be kicking things off with the strip down of the M4 G82 Competition. We'll assess the damage, see what parts can be salvaged and what we can put into stock. But don't go anywhere, because next week we'll be doing the exact same for that S500. Stay tuned to our channel. Let's get this started. You don't see the 2025 BMW M4 Competition XDrive stripped down every day. And that's exactly what's happening here at Rennen Autoteile. We try to keep the latest vehicles, be it from your entry-level models all the way to your high-end cars. This is one of the newest, most powerful BMWs on South African roads. And unfortunately, this one has seen better days. But for us, that means one thing: exclusive parts that are about to hit our shelves for all of you M fans out there. Let's take a closer look at what we're working with. Starting at the front, you can see the crash bars taking a big hit. One headlight is damaged and the other one's still good enough to salvage. Under the bonnet, the radiator pack's crushed and the S58 engine took a hit during the crash. It doesn't start, but hopefully it turns. On the left-hand side, we still have an excellent door and a quite good rear section. We have a beautiful carbon roof on the car as well. Interior-wise, it's still spotless. These bright orange seats, M steering wheel, center console, and trims are all clean. As usual, we're stripping everything systematically, removing the damage from the front ends, and then we'll move on to the engine, gearbox, and drivetrain. Every part that is clean will be catalogued and put into our system before it hits the warehouse floor. Let's take her apart. Coming down slower. This car is going to supply a ton of premium M4 parts, from mechanical to electrical to interior. And if you're one of the lucky ones who owns one of these, you know just how hard it is to get a hold of these spares locally. That's where we come in. We import our own parts regularly and add salvage cars like this to the lineup to make sure you never have to wait for the parts you need. Okay guys, so this is our S58 motor that came out of a M4, our G82, and what we found was there was some heavy damage taken because the motor was basically knocked off all the mountings. So the two engine mountings and the gearbox mounting itself, it was basically just laying on top of the subframe. On top of that, you can see we got some physical damage too, some loose parts here. Luckily for us, there's like a water pump, alternator, aircon compressor. You can see the bolt snapped off, but the block itself is actually good. We also have some damage to the sump, unfortunately. The crank pulley got snapped straight off, but we had two bolts in there, and we put basically another bar just to see the engine is turning. You know, if you know BMW, as long as your airbags pop, your motor is good. If your airbags don't pop, ... heck of a lot of question marks. For now, it's just physical damage, but the motor is pretty solid. This is a mean machine. This is basically all the parts we stripped to get our tappet cover out. We had a little bit of damage on both our turbos. So most of this damage is all because of impact. Once again, there's nothing really wrong with the motor itself internally. You do get guys who refurb turbos and basically just need to replace the core. That sensor bit, which is the main bit of the turbo, but we can get that done. Usually, guys with these motors know when you're looking to upgrade, you send it into the exact same guys and they replace the exact same part. They change the core out for you for something a little bit more dramatic. And when we like to sell things, we like to make sure from our end, before it leaves, it's a complete product. If there's any issues, you come back to us. No need to struggle and figure things out on your own. For all you BMW enthusiasts and those racing fans, what better way to show your passion than by coming through, swapping out your interior to nothing other than BMW's very own Kyalami orange interior. Two front seats, the rear seats, as well as the center console, fully kitted out in this beautiful Kyalami orange. I think it's a real tribute to where we are, where we're from. Just around the corner is the track. You want to put these on before you get there. As you can see, we'll wrap it up in the bubble wrap once we've done cleaning and getting it back to as good as possible. From there, we would give it a stock code of the car it came, so that when you do come through, we'll be able to let you know if it can fit your vehicle. You can see we got these 2 packs of the normal mats that come in, and then these beautiful thick rubber mats as well, all original, all M4 G82. Beautiful. When you look at a car like that and you see that crazy damage and you look at it and you think it's completely hopeless, there's always a little bit of gold if you dig deep enough. The engine turns and most of the parts that are left are going straight into stock. So if you're looking for any parts for your G82, BMW, exclusive BMW or Mercedes, hit us up on WhatsApp or go to our website. And don't forget to hit that like button, smash that notification button, and if you haven't already, subscribe so you know when we will be doing our next strip down or rebuild on our channel.